Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. I am Siobhan. If you're here today wanting to make the recipe of the day. So today it's a great little appetizer for parties, for family events, or just for whenever you want. So we are making shrimp cocktail. So if you'd like to learn how to make this recipe, stick around and find out. First, we're going to make sure that we have our hair pulled back, hands washed, and ready to cook. And I'll go ahead and show you the ingredients that we'll need. Alright, so we have all of our items together to make our shrimp cocktail. We have 2 packs of the salad shrimp. You can use less, you have less people. It's about 4 servings per pack. So we have 2 packs of the salad shrimp, a cucumber, serrano pepper. If you like more spice, you can add more jalapeno peppers, or you can just add more serrano peppers. Usually they say if they have the veins running through them, that means it's a spicier pepper. So I don't like much spice or Puerto Rican. So this one little serrano is going to be fine. We have a bunch of cilantro, 1 green lime, Roma tomato. We have 1 white onion. If you want to use the yellow onion, you're more than welcome to do that with a different flavor. 2 avocados. We have the Valentina salsa picante. We have a can of the petite diced tomatoes and tomato juice, ketchup, ground pepper, the ground black pepper, salt, garlic powder, oregano, and paprika. So we have all of our ingredients now together. So let's go ahead and start making our shrimp cocktail. So we're going to start by dicing up our white onion. You can do it however you like. If you have something else that would make it faster, you don't have to use a knife, but there are little gadgets they can sell to dice that faster. Then we're going to roll out and massage our green lime. If you do that, it helps get the juices more juicy, your little lime more juicy. Go ahead and press him into the mix where the acidity will start to cook the onion. Mix that around, and we're gonna go ahead and add our cucumber. So we're gonna slice and dice the cucumber as well and add that to our lime onion mixture. Now we'll go our Roma tomato, slice and dice him along with our 1 can of the diced tomatoes, so the tomato juice. We add a bag and a half of the cocktail shrimp, or the shrimp salad, salad shrimp. That's what they are. So now I'm going to go ahead and devein my serrano pepper. Again, I don't like spice, so I'm going to head take the seeds and the veins out, which are what hold the spice in. So if you like spice, you can go ahead and leave the seeds and the veins in and just dice up your serrano or jalapeno pepper. Go ahead and dice up our bunch of cilantro, add him to the mix. Now 2 avocados. There we go. There's the other half of our first avocado. We added the second avocado. So now there's about a cup of ketchup, about a 1/3 cup of the Valentina, and then salt. Everything I do is by taste. So I went ahead and added the salt, black pepper, garlic powder, oregano, and now paprika. You can taste it as you go to see if you like it or not. Add a little bit or what you think needs to be added. So we have everything mixed up. We're going to go ahead and put cling wrap on it and put that in the fridge for about an hour to overnight. So there we have our final product, the shrimp cocktail. This is sat overnight. You can serve it with tostadas or saltine crackers or tortilla chips. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and Buen Provecho.